Okay, so I was totally wrong about my stimulus check. The purpose of this video is to provide some clarity and transparency in regards to the stimulus check. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. But before we get started, I have a quick
message.
Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, I talk about everything you need to know about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I was absolutely wrong about my stimulus check. So I made a video saying that I got my stimulus check, and this is probably a couple of weeks ago, and it turned out that that wasn't actually my stimulus check that I had received. It was actually the unemployment benefit that we're getting as a result of coronavirus. So I'm currently on unemployment, and I'm able to get $600 a week that I'm on unemployment. The way that unemployment works for me here in Texas is that we file for I guess you file to get your money basically every Sundays. For me, it's between Sundays and Thursdays, but for me it's every Sunday, and they actually pay me like once for 2 weeks. So I'm supposed to get paid weekly, but it ends up being I get paid once every 2 weeks. So the reason why I'm doing this video is I want to be clear and transparent with you guys. I finally did get my stimulus check, and I'm also making this video for people that are still waiting on their stimulus check. I know that that is a very horrible position to be in. I know it sucks, and so I just want to actually make this video as proof that people are getting paid their stimulus check, me being one of the lucky few. And if you're one of the ones that are still waiting to get paid, just keep hope alive and keep waiting. It's just one of those things. I was fortunate for some reason. I did file my taxes in 2018 and 2019. In 2019, I had to pay a substantial amount of money on my personal tax and business tax as well. So I'm not sure if that had anything to do with me getting my stimulus payment faster. But like I said, I wanted to make this video and be clear and insanely transparent. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a screen recording on my iPhone right here, and I'll share that on this video with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and touch my finance folder, and then I'm going to touch Navy Federal because that's with whom I bank. And then I'm going to log in right here with you guys and just kind of show you proof that I actually did get my stimulus check payment. I'm going to touch on my checking account. It's going to pull that up, and then I'll scroll, and right there you guys can see, that I got a payment on April 29th. And I also, that payment on the 29th it says IRS tax relief or tax refund, but that's for the stimulus check, the $1,200 on the 29th. And then below that, on the 28th of April, you see where it says TWC, which is Texas Workforce Commission benefit. So that's for the unemployment, right? So I actually get $600 a week for that, which ends up being $1,200 plus another $600. So that's why you see that the total there is $1,808. I made a video earlier when I thought that the $1,808 was including my stimulus check, but it was not. So that's why I'm making this video, just to be clear and transparent. I just want to show you guys proof once again for the people that have not gotten their stimulus. I'm going to end the screen recording here. For the people that have not gotten their stimulus check yet, just know that they are working on it. You can go to the IRS website and go to irs.gov and then click on the Get My Payment tab and kind of fill out that information there to kind of see, first of all, if you qualify to get it, and if you need to change your bank information, because that's what I needed to do, you can do that as well. Once you finish doing that, at some point it will update and let you know when you can expect your stimulus payment. For me, I had done it, and the IRS finally updated their website, and it wasn't giving me a date. It was just telling me that whenever they have information, it will be on this particular page. So you're supposed to check the IRS website once a day. If you want to check it more than once, just know that they only update it once a day. So you probably can check it in the morning, and then maybe again in the evening if for some reason you think that it hasn't been updated, when you checked it earlier that morning. But I just wanted to make the video, like I said, to just be clear and transparent with you guys. I did finally get my stimulus check, for which I'm grateful. And once again, if you're one of those people that are waiting, just be patient. Hopefully the check is on the way. I know that they're doing their best to get payments out to individuals that are eligible to get that stimulus payment. So that's pretty much it for this video. Please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer it. We normally do live streams here on this channel, How to Build Credit TV, on Mondays at 7 p.m. Central. So if you want to stop by the channel and ask questions or have your questions answered in regards to credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards, be sure to do that, and I'll see you on the live streams on Mondays at 7 p.m. Central. Thanks again for watching this video. My name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.